Hi, I'm Dr. Pichini, and I'm a chiropractor here in the 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘𝗥𝗦𝗘 area. And today we're going to talk about exercises that we can do when we have knee pain to help reduce the stress in the knee. Now, when you have knee pain and you're trying to work out your legs, it can be a pretty debilitating thing for people. So it's important to look at exercises that are going to help to reduce that pain so you're still able to get a good workout and not put so much stress on the knee, which is going to give pain. All right, so it's important to kind of note two key concepts when it comes to people who have knee pain or are trying to work out their legs. The first is the angle of this thigh bone and the shin bone. And the second thing is the depth of the squat or the lunge that someone's trying to perform with their knee. So the first exercise we're going to talk about is the lunge. So the lunge tends to be a very common exercise that people will do when they are working out their legs. So there's usually two variations. There's a forward lunge and then there's a reverse lunge. I'm going to show you the forward lunge. Most people use the forward lunge, and as you can see, the angle of the thigh bone and the shin bone here goes past 90 degrees, and it puts a lot more stress at the front here of the knee. One way to reverse that exercise, which puts less stress on the knee, is actually the reverse lunge. So I'm going to get you to do a reverse lunge. And you can see this is a little bit more comfortable for the knee as we can maintain about a 90-degree angle here and putting less stress on the knee. So this can be really helpful if you have a type of knee issue. A simple modification that you can use to put less stress on your knee if you have knee pain. The squat tends to be another exercise that many people will use. And for most people, it can be done incorrectly. And if you have a knee issue, it can place a lot more stress on the knees. So I'm going to get you to do a squat. And as you can see here, a squat like this is not very favorable for people who have knee pain. As you can see, the thigh and the femur, so the thigh and the shin bone tend to go past 90 degrees and puts a lot more stress on the knee. So if you're going to do this without any support, it's important to make sure that your knees stay behind your toes as you're going into the squat. Another simple modification that many people can use to help maintain that 90 degrees is to use a box. So I'm going to get Ebony to do a box. Use this box over here, use a table or a chair, put it at an appropriate level, and you're going to go into a squat, making sure that your knees stay behind your toes. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. One other great exercise is the step up. So the step up involves some sort of elevation that someone can go and try to step up. Working out the legs. The important thing about the step up exercise is you can maintain that 90-degree angle. So these are three simple exercises that you can use at home to try to work out your legs if you're having knee pain, to put less stress on your knees. So although we have just these three exercises, there's many variations of that, but the most important concept is to make sure that your thigh and your shin bones stay at 90 degrees and that you're not going into too deep of a squat or a lunge to put pressure on that knees. If you're suffering with knee pain, it's important to get that assessed. At 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗘𝗥𝗦𝗘 Rehab, we have a team of professionals, of physiotherapists, chiropractors, and massage therapists to identify what the cause of your pain is, help give you the relief that you're looking for, and teach you techniques on how to prevent that pain from coming back.